Hello everyone, I am Anup. Today I like to give information about three-phase electricity. Let's start our discussion with simple generator. A simple generator consists of rotor which consists of magnet, and it is surrounded by a casing which is made up of aluminium, and it is called as stator. In this casing you can see there are two coils which are wound opposite to each other, and the end of this coil completes the connection. So if the magnet present at the center start rotating, then it will disturb the electrons which is associated with copper coil, as it consists of magnetic field around it. You can observe the magnetic field which is present around this magnet. The magnetic field start increasing and becomes maximum at the center. Then it start decreasing, and it will present at the either at the both ends of the magnet, that is north and south pole. So if you plot a graph of speed of electron with respect to the rotation of magnet, then we will get sine wave pattern. In this sine wave pattern, you can observe the speed of electron is 0 at the neutral point. Then it start increases and reaches maximum at the center of the positive half cycle. Again, it will fall back to 0 and reaches neutral where there will be no flow of electron. Then it go through the negative half cycle and reaches the maximum over there. Again it will fall back to 0 point and reaches to neutral. So this cycle of vibration continues until there is a rotation of magnet, and the complete rotation is called as cycle. So the number of cycle passed through a particular point in per second gives us the frequency, and the SI unit which is used to measure frequency is hertz. Coming back to our topic, so in order to improve the performance of electric appliances, we use another set of coils. So this another set of coil is 120 degree apart from the first set of coil. So you can observe there is a difference between two phases, and it will cause a flicker. Hence we introduce one more set of coil. So this is called as three phase, and you can still observe there are still more gaps between three phases, but you can add few more phases like that, because it will increase the cost of production. Hence the three phase is the best suited one, as it compromises the cost of production and also the power supply. And one best practical application of three phase is induction motor and commercial and some industrial appliances. Thank you.